What's up guys, welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting and much interesting video here on the channel. Anyway, the weekend was an amazing one all through. A whole lot of activities went down, but first on this, just stay calm here on the channel because I am just going to be dropping it one after the other, like I always said, and I will always applaud our brothers. They are really trying. You know, establishment is something that they don't get tired of doing. They keep doing it time and time again. They keep making the Igbo land proud outside the land, and which is very good because with time all of this development will definitely shift back home and it will be a beautiful one. They unleash the unveiling of Adiba store in Lekki was a massive one with amazing people like Jowizaza, Obi Cubana. The list is just too endless here for me to mention all, so I will just allow you watch the video, see your favorites, you drop a comment, share your most amazing moment out of the party. You know how we do it here guys. It's a highlight spot for each and every one of you. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing, drop a comment in the comment section. Welcome back to Lion Mark TV, your number one highlight spot.
Baby, hallelujah. But it brings you like a bottle of shine. 2 bottles of shine. 3 bottles of shine.